Hello, Hyatt Hotels, and welcome to our presentation of the Opera Cloud Guest Engagement and Merchandising Solutions powered by Nor1. I'm thrilled to walk you through this quick video to discuss exactly what Nor1 is, how it's going to benefit the hotel, and next steps to get your property live. Nor1 is Oracle Hospitality's AI-based revenue system. It is designed to do three important things for your properties. One is to engage guests with relevant, personalized, dynamically priced offers. Two is to make it easier and quicker on the hotel teams to actualize that revenue through automation. And then finally, to increase your revenue and get more to the bottom line. The Nor1 AI solution is called Prime. And Prime is going to price and simultaneously merchandise upsell offers to the guest. Essentially, we're solving for the problem of what does this guest want and what are they willing to pay. The Prime AI solution will lay out the exact amount of offers that the guest is interested in, price them according to what they're willing to pay, and guests will then be highlighted with upsell offers that they will then choose. Now, the Prime AI solution powers the full Nor1 platform. Your properties are going to be solely focused today on our first two solutions, eStandby and Express. In the next couple minutes, we'll go over exactly how these solutions work and how they generate you revenue. Starting with the first solution, eStandby. This is where we can engage guests with those relevant offers upon booking, confirmation, and pre-arrival. Guests will have the ability to request upgrades. You at the property will be able to award or deny. This is the steps and how a guest will view it from booking process. After a guest makes their initial reservation at the property, they will be presented with an opportunity to upgrade on various levels of the Hyatt marketing system from the confirmation page and the confirmation email. Guests can engage there. Once they do, they're presented with relevant offers that they can then request for their upcoming stay. Now, the property teams will have the ability to award or deny those requests based on availability. If you're unable to accept an upgrade, that's okay. That means the guest just keeps the originally booked room that they had or the originally booked reservation. Nothing changes. However, the Nor1 AI gets smarter and smarter about future offers. Now, if you do not sell at your hotel and you have rooms that are sitting there empty, possibly higher tier rooms, we now have created a queue of guests that have raised their hand and said that they are willing to pay for that upgrade. You then can award that request and the guest will be upgraded to the room that they wanted. The hotel is going to get additional revenue and everybody wins. Now, where the guest is going to engage with that is still in development, but there are some examples. One is going to be on the confirmation page, confirmation email, pre-arrival email, and of course a Nor1 dedicated email that the guests will receive themselves. Once engaging in any of those touch points, the guest is taken to an offer page where they can view it on their desktop or on their mobile device. The offers are going to be presented specifically for that guest, priced accordingly. The guest has the option to request their upgrade. Now, the guest is not told if the upgrade is accepted or not until you choose to award the upgrade. From a property side, we've made it very, very easy to award those upgrades and in some cases, automatically do so. We have something called auto awarding. And auto awarding allows the Nor1 AI to view incoming requests, view your real-time inventory, and if an upgrade is available, it will automatically update the reservation inside of Opera. Meaning in those scenarios where it's a room-to-room upgrade, that there is absolutely no work for the hotel teams to do. Now, for those upgrades that do require approval, that would be an early arrival, late checkout, things like that, we have what's called one-click clear, where your team will log into the Nor1 user interface system here, and they will simply click an accept or deny button, and once they do, all the upgrades are automatically done inside of Opera. It's a one click and the upgrade is automatically done. Now, some of the benefits to using this, one is that we're able to engage your guests with multiple upgrades and solutions that they want. Two is that you can automatically approve those requests, or like I said, in some cases, make it super, super simple. You can also monetize non-room inventory, things like high floors, connecting rooms, food and beverage. Also, you have the ability to offer guests last-minute upgrades right before they arrive at check-in. We are integrated directly into everything that Hyatt is already doing and into Opera Cloud. So whatever version of Opera you're using, we have that integration already set up, which allows for the automation. That takes us to the second solution that the hotels are getting, which is called Express. Now, much like eStandby, Express is a pre-arrival upsell, except it's last minute and it's confirmed. What happens with Express is that guests will receive an upsell opportunity a couple days before arrival, and when they choose to engage there, instead of showing them all the potential upgrades, we actually narrow it down to just real-time availability. Once a guest engages, we pull only rooms that are sitting there unsold in the system, and we showcase that to the guest. They then have the option to confirm the upgrade by choosing right at the Express level. Once that's done, guests will also be able to come right to the hotel, their upgrade completed, and all the changes done in Opera. Now, the Hyatt corporate team is working with the Nor1 system to get this system set up. There are two things needed from you at the hotels to complete the process. Number one is going to be accepting the ordering document. So to get signed up, you will receive an email, and it comes from the Oracle store. And your job is to go into that email, click to accept online button. It'll take you to the Oracle store where you can complete the process. It's very easy, and it takes about a minute to conclude. Once that process is completed, the next step will be the cloud account activation. Typically a couple of minutes after you finish the ordering document, you'll receive another email to activate your cloud account. This is really to set up the Nor1 subscription, and this only takes 30 seconds to complete. Same thing, once you get the email, click on the button to go to the website, and then you can easily complete the process. Now that concludes today's presentation. If there's any other questions, please feel free to see your Hyatt team leader and talk about the Nor1 project. Thank you so much. Have a great day.